Posting your marketing videos on Quora. Hey there, friends! Quora is not a visual discovery platform, but there's no doubt that you can boost the visual appeal of your answers with visual media, including videos. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to leverage Quora answers to promote your marketing videos the right way. Quora video embedding and specs. Quora does not support native video uploads anymore, which means that you have to embed your marketing videos from another source. The only requirements to embed a video on Quora is that you host it on another platform, that the video is of high quality, and that it is directly related or complementary to the answer that you are providing. Getting your video embed URL. Okay, let's take the first step, which is to obtain your marketing video embed URL, which you'll need to insert your video into a Quora answer. The way to obtain your video embed URL will depend on the platform where you host your marketing videos. In our case, we host our marketing videos on YouTube. The benefit of embedding a marketing video from YouTube is that it is reliable and that you can obtain your embed URL easily. Embedding your YouTube marketing videos on Quora will also help you to drive more traffic to your videos, which will improve your video rankings. So let's find the embed URL on YouTube. Start on the home page and click on the profile icon. Then click on the YouTube Studio tab. Once on the channel dashboard, click on the Videos tab located in the left-hand sidebar menu. Now locate the marketing video that you want to share on Quora and click on its corresponding options button. Next, click on the Get Shareable Link option. You just copied the video's embed URL to your clipboard, and you are ready to insert it into your Quora answer. Posting your marketing video to Quora. Alright friends, now it is time to post your marketing video to a Quora answer. First, you have to find a question that you can answer with your marketing video as backup for your answer. Remember, don't post your video to promote or market a product or service. Simply use it as a backup resource, like you would use a chart or infographic. In this example, we're going to look for an answer using the search bar. Ready? Okay. First, enter a topic keyword into the search bar. Now select the topic in the results. Once on the results page, click on the questions link under the By Type menu in the left-hand sidebar. Now locate a good question to answer with your video, and click on it to go to the question page. Next, click on the answer icon to open the answer editor. Now before you embed the video, it is important that you prepare how you'll format the answer. This is because it is not recommended that you reply directly with the video alone. Instead, you have to give some background about the video by briefing the reader about its contents. First, it is recommended that you open with a brief introduction. Next, explain that you created a video where you provide the answer. Now enter the title of the video right below this text and bolden it. Now it is time to insert the video into the answer. Here you'll simply have to paste your embed URL right below the title. Awesome! As you can see, the video just embedded into the answer, and readers just have to click on the play button to watch it. Additionally, you can also insert the shareable link below the video for an additional traffic boost for your YouTube video. Simply click on the link icon in the editor toolbar and paste your video URL into the Enter URL field. Then click on Add. Now readers can also access your marketing video through the text link you just added below the video. All you have to do now is to click on the Submit button to post your answer. And that's it! An easy way to leverage Quora answers to get more viewers for your marketing videos.